How far do we want this camera to be?
Actually, like that huge.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big explosion. So this is the Fat Man Nuke we have filled with Tannerite.
And diesel, don't forget the diesel.
And diesel. Hope we get a good fireball.
Yeah.
We're gonna be shooting from up there by the pool. About 100 yards. Let's go ahead and close that.
What was it? Which way was it, Caleb? Oh my goodness! It's up in the air still!
Let's go.
What was it? Which way was it, Caleb?
It was left of the microwave.
Oh my goodness! It's up in the air still! Woohoo! Yeah, there are sheep. That's the piece that went flying.
I can smell the diesel right here.
Yeah. It didn't ignite. Oh, that's the bottom.
The bottom, it just blew everything up.
The power coil's there.
I never saw the door.
Oh yeah, where? I think the door's just gone.
There's part of it wrapped around the barbed wire.
That's wild.
Wrapped around the barbed wire.
Yeah, it's literally wrapped around it.
Yeah, the diesel is vaporized. I can feel it on my fingers from the stuff I picked up.
It's like permanently wrapped around it.
That wasn't even a particularly hard shot. That's kind of disappointing. You had a big target.
Hey, there's a piece of the
The nuke?
yeah.
I believe it's called the shrapnel.
Yeah, well, the diesel did not ignite. It just made a slimy.
Heck yeah.
Something landed in the pool.
Heck yeah.
I felt that one.
Heck yeah.
Something landed in the pool. What? What landed in the pool? What is it?
Just a little piece of metal. That is, what's it a part of?
It's a piece of the computer. It's the back.
Yeah, you can see where it went through.
What computer? Oh, okay. So remember how this microwave had the power coil still attached?
No more. Hey, there's a piece of looks like the optical just dropped.
Oh yeah, sure enough.
I still smell diesel.
Yeah.
There's some pieces scattered around there.
Yeah. Hey, powerful.
Oh yeah, from the microwave.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Pretty heavy.
it is heavy. I mean, feel this. That's like
Yeah, that's like probably 8 pounds.
at least that's like half the weight of the microwave. And oh hey, there is a piece of the tower. sheet metal.